How to reduce vacancy rates and keep units occupied. Vacant properties are one of the biggest challenges for landlords and property managers. Every empty unit means lost income, and the longer it sits unoccupied, the more it costs you in maintenance, utilities, and missed opportunities. The good news? With the right strategies, you can reduce vacancy rates and keep your properties filled with reliable tenants all year long. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Price your rentals competitively. Setting the right rental price is key to minimizing vacancies. Research similar listings in your area to ensure your property is priced fairly for its location, size, and amenities. If your rent is too high, potential tenants will move on. If it's too low, you may attract short-term renters or reduce your profit margins. The goal is to find that perfect balance between value and profitability. 2. Market your property effectively. Your marketing makes the first impression. Use high-quality photos, engaging descriptions, and promote your listings across major platforms, including Zillow, Apartments.com, and social media. Consider virtual tours or short video walkthroughs to give renters a feel for the space before they visit in person. 3. Keep your property in excellent condition. Well-maintained properties rent faster and attract better tenants. Regularly update paint, flooring, and fixtures. Make sure landscaping is neat and common areas are clean. A property that looks cared for sends a message to tenants that management is attentive, which helps justify rent value and encourages long-term stays. 4. Prioritize tenant retention. Keeping current tenants happy is the easiest way to reduce vacancies. Respond promptly to maintenance requests, communicate clearly, and show appreciation with small gestures like renewal incentives or seasonal maintenance checks. Happy tenants are more likely to renew, saving you the cost and hassle of finding new renters. 5. Offer flexible lease terms. Not every tenant wants a 12-month lease. Offering flexibility, such as 6-month or month-to-month options, can attract a wider range of renters. Just be sure to balance shorter leases with slightly higher rent to protect your bottom line. 6. Improve curb appeal. First impressions matter. Fresh landscaping, clean entryways, and updated lighting can make your property stand out, especially in competitive rental markets like Pinellas County. 7. Partner with a professional property management company. If managing vacancies is taking too much time, consider partnering with an experienced property management company. Professionals handle marketing, tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance, ensuring your property stays occupied and profitable year-round. Final thoughts. Reducing vacancy rates takes planning, consistency, and attention to detail. By pricing wisely, maintaining your property, and building strong tenant relationships, you'll see fewer empty units and more steady income.